nikhwelile emotweni aye kuphi nendawo nkathi nikhuluma nina?
uMabhena wayebambe isivalo
Lana ayibambela asiqale la kuMabhena sujapa. Uthini uMabhena wayebambe kuphi?
lesi sivalo lesi.
Mabhena was holding this door. Yeah, the witness referring to the witness door on the left. That is now referring to the side door. Yebo, omunye.
Amanye la emgwaqeni.
The others were on the road.
And their relative distances on the road that you refer to, a meter, less than a meter, within what distance were they away from the car?
Uma ungasho ngebanga ke la othi babe semgwaqweni babe kude ngathi ibanga kwakuyimitha babe kangakanani kude nemoto.
Babe ngekho kude kakhulu. Imoto yayiseceleni ipakile la. Laba babengakulolayela onke.
They were not very far. I would say the witness referring to the right-hand side. The vehicle was parked on the right-hand side, and then they were on this line. That is now referring to the side, to the the left side. The line on the left side.
It's about what, a meter? Half a meter, what's this?
Half a meter.
Half a meter.
Yes.
Okay.
And when you were talking to accused number 2, Mr. Ntanzi, were you whispering or were you talking in your normal voices the way you usually talk to each other outside the confines of the police?
Nkathi nikhuluma ke noNtanzi ingaba kwakukhuluma ukuthi nje nikhulumela phansi ukuthi nizwane noma nikhuluma njengalendlela okhuluma ngayo manje ngendlela ejwayelekile.
Wayekhuluma kodwa ekhulumela phansi kodwa ayikakhulu.
He was talking in a low voice, not that much, not that very low.
And the police officers that were there, let's talk about Mabhena, the one that is holding the car by the side at the slide door. Was he within earshot of you and Ntanzi talking to each other?
Asikhulume ngoMabhena lo othi wayebambeke isivalo lesi. La ayemi khona ke uMabhena kwaukuthi njengoba wena noNtanzi nikhuluma nje uye uzwa lokho enikushoyo nikhulumayo wena noNtanzi uMabhena.
Wayeyizwa.
You could hear.
And now let's come to the gist of why you are here. You say, and I want you to say it in your own words again, so that it's not lost in interpretation, it's not lost in translation. Exactly pertaining to the so-called killing, injuring of Senzo Meyiwa Mapisa, all that story. Repeat it for me, please.
Uthi ke ufuna ukusho ke ngawapho ke amazwi ke lokhu okushilo mayelana nalokhu kokulinyazwa ukubulawa kwaMeyiwa nabo Mapisa konke lokho kade ukushilo ukuphinde ukuthi ucela ukuphinde futhi asenze kanje na ungakusho konke ngesikhathi esisodwa isho nje olayini wodwa ume ngikudlulise ungafuna ukusho konke siyezana uthi kusho ke ngalendlela okusho ngayo ukuthi ukulinyazwa kwaMeyiwa ukubulawa kwaMeyiwa abo Mapisa uthi ucela uphinde ukusho ke lokho kade ukushilo yona lento kade ushilo futhi. Where should I start
the conversation? You greet him, then let's start in fact in its proper context.
Mangifika khuluma lapha ngaphakathi.
Inside the vehicle.
ngaphakathi yebo.
Masiqala sikhuluma phakathi emotweni.
Yes.
Masiqala sikhuluma ngaphakathi emotweni. Kuyangibikela uNtanzi ngibikelwa mina ukuthi nginecala ngiboshiwe.
Okay. When we started having a conversation inside the vehicle, Ntanzi reports to me that I have a case against me or a matter against me. I have been arrested. Yebo.
Ngiboshelwe ukuthi ngitholakale necala lenhlamba.
I have been arrested because I've been found in possession of ammunition. Yebo.
Wasethi ke ophinde kwaba icala lami lokuthi sabulala uMeyiwa sisephathini eforce.
Again,
Samba noMapisa nabangani babo.
Again, that I've been arrested for a matter where he had killed Meyiwa in Foslo. We were at a party together with Mapisa and friends.
Now, when you first said it, and I'm not Zulu, you'll correct me if I'm wrong. You said, Ntanzi said, they said, I killed injured Senzo Meyiwa with my friends Mapisa. Is that how I understood it?
No, please. When you say they, it means he had it that way. He's not saying that. Please. You said he must do it in his own words.
Uthi Zulu
He
akasizi.
says, look, when you translate, he says, inside the car, number 2 says, I have a case against me. I have been arrested because I have been found in possession of ammunition.
Yes.
He doesn't say, they say, I have a case. They say, I have been arrested because I have been found in possession of ammunition. He uses the personal adjectival expression, I. That's how I understand the witness.
I'm going to drum it until I get it.
Okay.
Clarify it again once more, that point. Because it's critical to this case for the defense of accused number 2.
Uthi ucela iphindeke ngoba ke kusemqoka kakhulu ke kuyena ke umsolo wesibili. Cela uyiphindeke.
Phinde.
What should I repeat?
The conversation, when you've greeted each other, now he's telling you about 2 cases. The Rustenburg case for possession of ammunition and
Angithi utheke manje niyiphindeke. Ukutshela amacala amabili. Qale wakutshela ke ngecala lase Rustenburg leyinhlamvu. Yes.
okay, and then the second one he tells you about this one pertaining to them being at a party, being with the so-called friends Mapisa, injuring and killing of the deceased Senzo Meiwa.
Wase ekutshela ngaleli ke elesibili. Abomaphisa abangane ukubulawa nokulinyazwa kukaMeyiwa.
Wangitshela kanjalo wakhuluma dibanisa kanje. Akuboshele.
He included, as he spoke, he included that which he had been arrested for.
Let me put it to the personal level. Did he say to you, like the court correctly says, I was arrested for ammunition? Did he say that?
Angikubuze kanjena ke ingabe uma ekutshela wathi kuwena ke ngiboshelwe inhlamvu ekhuluma ngayo esho ngayo wathi ngiboshelwe
Yeah, usho yena.
yes he was referring to
Yeah.
himself ammunition he was referring to himself
And did he say now on this important aspect? And I wanted to give you the background. When he says they, according to my instructions, he says the police said I killed Senzo with my friends Mapisa and them. Not that I, Ntanzi.
No. Please, let's be fair to the witness. You are telling the witness about your instructions now.
Yes.
No. I thought you wanted to elicit from the witness the conversation which he had with, I don't know, accused number 2.
Let's rephrase. Now, when he states, the first one he says, the I, the personalized, me. On the second one, regarding the killing, the injury to the deceased, what did he say in that context? Did he say, I killed, or did they say,
Who are they
to
now?
you? Did he say to you?
I know. Sorry. Please, just be fair to the witness. He never say they. Please, that's not how I heard him. You can play back the tape.
Clarify it for me one last time. The second part only, regarding the conversation with the injury and the killing of the deceased.
okay sidlulile ke manje kuwena inhlamvu khohlanga leyo manje uma esekutshela ngaleli lesibili ke icala ke wathini uma ekutshela ngalo wathini
Wakhuluma wadibanisa inkulumo akazange yena ekhuluma wazozo midilini.
okay as he spoke he never stopped he spoke up he spoke up until the end and he included everything singaqhubeka ke
Wayesho okumbophelo wayengibikela okumbophelo kubanga eThebela.
okay he was informing me about the reason why he had been arrested the reason why he was here
Now, the Mabena is there. How did the police react when that report was made to you allegedly by accused number 2?
ushilo ukuthi ngalesikhathi kwenzeka lokho uMabhena ukhona ke uma sekwenzeka lokho ke manje ke uNtanzi ke esekutshela lokho enzani noma athina amaphoyisa uma ezwa lokho noma uNtanzi ekutshela lokho yini eyenziwa amaphoyisa noma eyashiwa amaphoyisa
Amaphoyisa athi ulungile ngoba usumbonile umfana wakho. sesiyahamba maqeda ngiyabona aseyahamba
Okay.
mase ngiyahamba ngincwadi lapho.
The police then said, it is now okay because you have now seen your guy. So they then got into the vehicle, they left, I also left.
From you, your observation, no action was taken by the police pertaining these serious allegations that are made by, allegedly by accused number 2 to you, overhearing that conversation with you.
Ngokusho kwakho ke kulento esemqoka kangaka kule insolo eyingaka oyitshelwa ke uyena uNtanzi akukho okwenziwa amaphoyisa uma ezwa lokho okushiwo uNtanzi abazange benze lutho uma bezwa lokho akushoyo ngizophindela ukungezwa uyangizwa mthini angithi uthi uNtanzi utshele lokho akutshele kona sikhuluma ke manje ngecala leli elase force angithi uma amaphoyisa ezwa uNtanzi ethi lokho akutshele kona ke mayelana nomeyiwa ukulinyazwa kwameyiwa ukubulawa kwameyiwa abomaphisi akenzanga lokho akukho okwenziwa amaphoyisa
Akukho kwenziwa ngamaphoyisa.
they didn't do anything.
Now, when you saw the accused person, accused number 2, inside that police vehicle, did you notice any injuries on his person?
Nkathi umbona ngaleli langa phakathi kule moto yamaphoyisa ingaba khona yini ukulimala wakubona kuyena uNtanzi
UNtanzi angambona ngathi wayefaswe nensini.
I didn't see him properly because
Wayefaswe nensini.
he was chained and he was handcuffed and he was chained
Around his wrist area,
la ezandleni kuyena
Ezazizandleni.
yes he was handcuffed.
yes, did you notice any injuries on his
Ubuza
wrist?
ukuthi wabona yini ukuthi wayelimele la ezandleni la aboshe la insimbi ingena khona la ezandleni ngabe wabona yini ukuthi wayenokulimala wayenako khona lapho
Azange ngimbone ngimayeleme nomasha ngoba bemfake insini.
I couldn't see
Ngikhona emini.
okay I couldn't see whether he was injured or not and he was wearing because he was handcuffed and he was wearing something with long sleeves.
Now, let me give you the version of accused number 2 regarding your interaction with him at that police car on that day, on the 13th of July 2020.
Angikutsheleke manje ukuthi uthini ke yena uNtanzi mayelana naloko okwenzeka ngaleli langa la nge-13 zika July
2020.
no2020 ulaleleke ukuthi uNtanzi uthini.
Indeed, he agrees with you that he informed you that he has been arrested and that he was appearing at the Tabane Magistrates Court.
Uyakuvuma ke ukuthi impela wakutshela ke noma washo kuwena ukuthi uboshiwe futhi ke uzovela enkantolo noma uvela enkantolo yaseThabane.
And indeed, he informed you that he was arrested for possession, unlawful possession of ammunition.
Impela ke uyavuma nalapho ke ukuthi washo kuwena ukuthi ke uboshelwe ngokutholakala ngokungemthetho eneyinhlamvu kuyena.
And he instructs me that he asked you to come and visit him at court in Tabane.
Ngempela ke uyavuma ukuthi wacela ukuthi uze uzombona enkantolo yaseThabane.
And the reason for that is the following: that he was smelly because he hadn't bathed since his arrest on the 16th of June 2020 until that 13th of July 2020. So he wanted.
Uthi ke imbangela yalokho kuukuthi kungoba ke wayenephunga ke ngoba wayengakaze ageze kusukela ngelanga awaboshwa ngalo nge-16 zika June 2020 kwaze kwayoshaya zona ke i-13 zika July 2020.
He instructs me further that he was arrested on the 16th, assaulted by the police over a number of days, and they didn't take him to appear for the first time in court after 48 hours after the 16th of June 2020. Let me cut it short. He instructs me as follows. He was arrested on the 16th of June 2020.
Akushoyo kumina ke usho ummeli wakhe ke lokhulumayo ukuthi waboshwa ziwu-16 June 2020 uNtanzi loyo. Yebo.
And in terms of the law, he was not produced before a court of law within 48 hours because he was assaulted.
Ngokomthetho ke uma umuntu eboshiweke kufanele ukuthi ngamahora ke awu48 emuva kokuthi eboshiweke ayovela ke enkantolo. Akwenzekanga ke lokho ngoba wayeshayiwe noma amaphoyisa amshaya.
And that the police kept on taking only the docket to court, informing the court that he was sick when he was left in the cells.
Okwenzeka ke noma okwakwenzeka ngaleso sikhathi ukuthi amaphoyisa ayengamthathi ke ayo enkantolo ayovela ayethatha idokodo kuphela ayenalo enkantolo afika atshela inkantolo ke ukuthi uyagula ke kodwa babe bemshiye kuma cells.
That therefore on this the 13th of July 2020, that was his first appearance since he was arrested on June 16, 2020.
Ngaleli langa enanihlangana ngalo ninake nomabili nge-13 zika July 2020 kwakuyilanga lokuqala ngqa eyovela enkantolo emuva kokuthi waboshwa nge-16 zika June 2020. Yes. I understand.
Now it comes to you that he called you as a person that he was familiar with, known to come and assist him because he was smelly, he hadn't changed clothes since the 16th of June 2020. And he wanted some
imbangela ke
therapies.
yokuthi akuceleke noma kubize ngaleli langa kungoba ke kwakuumuntu amjwayele umuntu owayengamsiza ngokuthi wayenephunga ke ngoba wayengagezile kusukela nge-16 zika June ilanga aboshwa ngalo kwaze kwashaya leli langa ahlangana nawe ngalo uthi ke yilesi isizathu sokuthi akubize ngaleli langa.
And that therefore
Yeah.
he requested you to buy toiletries for him. That's when indeed you did produce the 500 rand and gave it to him.
Uthi ke wasecela ke nako ukuthi umthengeleke into zogeza ila wena khona ke usukhipha wona lo 500 wamnikeza wona. Yes.
Now regarding the Rustenburg case, he then informed you that the police said they found ammunition at his place when he was not there, when they searched. That's why he was arrested on that possession of unlawful ammunition in the Rustenburg case.
He informed him or the police.
No, Ntanzi informed him that he was arrested on the Rustenburg case, the possession of unlawful ammunition, because the police had searched his place when he was not there, and they said they had found ammunition at his
Uthi wasekutshela ke
place.
ngaleli langa ukuthi mayelana nesigameko lesi sase-Rustenburg seyinhlamvu wakutshela wena ukuthi ke amaphoyisa ahamba aya la ahlala khona afika sesha khona ke engekho yena Ntanzi asethola zona ke inhlamvu noma athi athola zona inhlamvu lezo. Uthi yiloko akutshela kona ukuthi amaphoyisa asesha engekho athola inhlamvu.
Akangitshenanga yimo etshena ukuthi ngumajele namadingisa engcono.
Sorry.
Yimo atshena ngithatha engcono ngengcono.
Ingqome yini ke?
Yimi angikhuluma nawe Ntanzi ngimtshela ngenye indaba yami nomekade
Ngifuna ukwazi ingqome yini ingqome ngizokwazi uyidlulisa.
bangisetrongweni nami engcono.
I'm asking him.
Eh.
Okay. I was informing him. I'm the one who was telling him about my own matter that I had been incarcerated for. I was telling him that I was also in prison. The witness made me use of the name Engome.
Yes, but you've lost me because I was putting
If you
his
can
version
shorten
to
it,
you.
Mr. Ramsey, maybe that's why the witness. If you can shorten what you're putting
Yes.
and not make it long.
Okay, I've tried. Then, with respect to this matter now, the phosphorus matter, where he says he said he was arrested for, they were with friends at a party, they injured Senzo, and he subsequently died. His instruction to me is the following.
Mayelana nalokho kwesibili okushilo othi yikona ke akutshela kona ukulimala kaSenzo ukubulawa kaSenzo abangane uthi lalela ke nako akushoyo uNtanzi ulaleleke.
That what he told you is that not that he, as Ntanzi, said I killed Sonzo. He says the police say they arrested me because I was with Mapisa, we were at the party, we injured and killed Senzo.
Uthi akutshela kona angithi wena uthe uma utshela inkantolo uNtanzi wathi kuwena sibulele uSenzo silimaze uSenzo besisephathini uthi cha akazange akutshele kanjalo awakusho kuwena ukuthi amaphoyisa athi mina nabomaphisa nabangane sasisephathini saze sabulala uSenzo. Uthi wakutshela kanjalo, hayi ukuthi wathi yena uyena oshoyo. Uthi wakutshela ukuthi amaphoyisa asho kanjalo.
Akasho njalo.
He didn't say it like that. Yeah.
Wathi athi amaphoyisa.
He said the police said. Yes.
Eh.
Wathi athi amaphoyisa.
Yes.
He said the police said.
Yes.
Eh.
Yes.
Yes.
Bafulele Meyi.
They killed Meyiwa.
Yes. Now, on that bombshell, let's proceed. You helped out accused number 2, according to your testimony, when he didn't have work, correct?
Uthi-ke wena wamsiza nkathi wayengenawo umsebenzi angithi.
Yebo.
Yes.
And you also participated in Ingoma dance and song, traditional Zulu, correct? And you were their umphathi wabo, their senior, correct?
Nokuthi ke wawuyingxenye ke yayo ingoma nokuthi wawumphathi wabo ke kuyona ingoma ndawonye nayo.
Now at Rustenburg,
Yes, respond. Uthini? Pendula, akwendele impendulo.
Uthi
Uthi na wawuyingxenye kanye naye kwingoma futhi wena umphathi wabo.
yebo njalo.
That is indeed so.
now characterize for me the nature of your relationship with Mr. Ntanzi from 2008 when you meet him. Did you then become acquaintances, best friends, close friends, or what? What was the nature of your relationship?
Ukusukela ke ngo-2008 uma senihlangana ke ingaba kwawukuthi nje emuva kwalokho uqhubeka ke uya phambili ke naba abantu nje abajwayelanayo naba abangana bangana impela noma kwakukanjani ubudlelane phakathi kwakho naye nanijwayelene nje nani abangane bangani bangempela noma kwakukanjani?
Bekumfowethu, bengithatha njengomfowethu.
He was my brother. I took him as my brother.
And just I'm just finishing up on this point. So in 2014, when accused number 2 was still employed at Sibanye Gold in Carltonville, were you also in contact with him?
Ngo-2014 inkathi esebenza eSibanye eCarltonville nalapho wawusaxhumana naye. Ngo-2014 inkathi esebenza eCarltonville eSibanye wawusinanisa kwakusekhona ukuxhumana phakathi kwenu nobabili.
Ngo-2014 futhi besingasaxhumani kahle.
There was not the contact was not.
Bengasaqapheli kahle.
Although I can't take much note of it, but I think there was not that good of communication or contact between the two of us.
And lastly now, I understand that you say you haven't been in contact with accused number 2. But speaking here in court today, you and accused number 2 do not have any axe to grind, correct?
Njengoba umila ehlezi lapha akukho ongathi akukho kuzwana phakathi kwenu ngithi.
Uyajabula ngoba ngibona.
He's very much happy to see me.
As the court pleases, those are my questions.
Right, yes. Yes, Mr. Mnisi?
I've got no question, Madam.
No questions. Mr. Ngumalo?
No questions.
No questions. Ms.
Thank you, my lord. Just few. Mr. Mr. Mteles, I just need clarification on the conversation you had with accused number 2 inside the car. You understand?
Ngifuna nje ukuthi ngichazele kahle ngikuzwisise kahle mayelana nenkulumo owawunayo naye uNtanzi phakathi emotweni.
Did accused number 2 say he is arrested because he killed Senzo, or he said the police he is arrested because the police say he killed Senzo?
Ulalele kahle. Ingabe uNtanzi wathi kuwena ngiboshiwe ngoba ngibulele uSenzo noma ngiboshiwe ngoba amaphoyisa athi ngibulele uSenzo ikuphi kulelo
uthi ngiboshiwe ngoba kuthiwa ngibulele uSenzo.
He said, I'm arrested because it is alleged that, or it is being said, or it is being alleged that I killed Senzo.
Okay, thank you. And on that day, did you make any statement regarding that?
Ngalelo langa lelo ke inanikhuluma ngalo ingabe wasenza khona lokho okubhalwa phansi amaphoyisa abathi mabibiza bathi i-statement. Sikhona i-statement owasenza okwabhalwa phansi mayelana nalokho akutshela kona ngalelo langa lelo nani.
Okay, did you at any stage make the statement regarding your meeting with accused number 2?
Ingabe likhona ke noma ungasenzanga ngalelo langa likhona yini ilanga noma kamuva ola owenza khona ke i-statement mayelana nokuhlangana kwakho noNtanzi nikhulumele emotweni sikhona i-statement owasenza emaphoyiseni.
Abe sefike ezongilanda endlini.
They came to fetch me at my house.
Yes, and then?
Kwasekuthini?
Babuza ukuthi bese nakhuluma nathini noNtanzi emotweni.
They then asked me, what is it that you were talking about with Ntanzi in the vehicle?
Okay, yes, continue and then you make the statement.
Babhala phansi.
Babhala phansi.
They wrote down.
Okay, at the time when you make the statement, did you make the statement freely and voluntarily?
Nkathi ukwenza lokho noma nkathi ke leso statement usenza ukhuluma okuphuma kuwena ukhululekile kwakuyinto iphumelana nje kuwena.
Ukuthi ngangimangala namuntu ukwenza njani ngiqhamuka semboshwe ngoba ngangizwe ngiyobona umfoyi.
Okay, I was caught by surprise that how is it now that I'm being arrested because I had just been called to come and see my brother.
Okay, were you threatened to make the statement?
Ingabe wasatshiswa yini noma bakwesabisa yini ukuthi wenze statement?
Ushuthi kwaba ngathi ngenza statement ngamangazwa into esengehlela manje ukuthi kwenzakala ukuthi uqhamuka umthetho sebezongilanda.
Okay. What led to me making the statement is now because I was now caught by surprise as to what was happening now, that now they are coming to fetch me.
Okay, but was there any force put to you in order to make the statement?
Yayikhona yini ingcindezi eyabekwa noma eyayikuwena eyakuphoqa ukuthi wenze statement? Noma kwakhona ukuphoqeka ukuthi wenze leso statement leso?
Ushuthi singabantu siyesesayo ukuthi ukukhuluma nephoyisa uye lapha elithi yana ngakhona.
As people, you get scared when you speak to a police officer. You then follow the direction that you are being led to by the police officer.
Thank you, my lord. I've got no further questions.
Thank you. Any re-exam? Oh, sorry, not re-exam. Yeah, re-exam.
Yes. You mentioned that you in cross-examination by accused number 1 and 2 counsel, it was put to that the 500 rand was for toiletries. Can you just clarify what was the money for?
Kunabameli ababili ababuzile ubaba lo seceleni nomama lo segcineni ke. Uma ubuzwa ubaba lo lana eceleni ke. Uthe kuwena ke uma ukhipha u500 kwakuwukuthi ukhiphela ukuthi umnikezeke athenge into zogeza. Awuchaze wena ke awusho wena ke kathi umnika u500 awumnikelana.
Angimnike athenga into zogeza.
I was giving him the 500 to buy toiletries.
And if you can maybe just clarify this aspect. In cross-examination, you mentioned that accused numbers 2 said there in the police vehicle that the police say that he killed Senzo. And in your evidence in chief, you mentioned that he said they killed Meyiwa and he started crying. Can you just clarify? What did he say exactly?
Cela ke uchaze la uzokhumbula ke qala uma uqala ngana ke ukukhuluma uthe wathi kuwena babulele umeyiwa wasekhala. Uma usubuzwa ke manje imibuzo ummeli wakhe ke wathi kuwena amaphoyisa athi babulala noma wabulala umeyiwa. Awuchazeke lapho nje. Ngala uthi eqala ngizokhumbula umuntu oqala ukubuza imibuzo yenu baba ngokumile manje. Uthe uma uchaza ke wathi umechazela untanzi wathi sibulele umeyiwa wasejika ekhala. Uyakhumbula ukusho lokho? Uma usubuzwa ke ubaba manje buhlezi phansi ke wathi uthe kuwena untanzi amaphoyisa athi manje sishintshile kulo ibishilo ngaphambili ukuthi uthi kusho amaphoyisa manje. So ubaba uyacela uthi awuchazeke ukuthi ikuphi ngoba kubili lokhu kuhlukile. Yes.
Hayi wathi athi amaphoyisa ngoba ngoshiwe nje athi amaphoyisa ngibona kuthiwa sibulele umeyiwa.
He said, as I am being arrested now, the police say, or the police allege that myself and my friends killed Meyiwa.
And you mentioned that he started crying.
Ushilo ukuthi waseqala ke ukhala.
Ewakhala.
Yes, he cried.
Was there a reason why he started crying?
Kwakunezathu sokuthi akhala.
Usho ukuthi ngokhala wakhe ngiyabona angazi ukuthi wayekhalela.
I don't know as to why he was crying.
Thank you, Mother. That is all.
Thank you. Yeah. Yeah, excused.
Uqedile baba Sebo.
As the court please, may we then adjourn until tomorrow?
Yeah, okay, we're adjourned until tomorrow.